Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable OK Google on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. OK Google allows you to trigger Google Assistant with your voice, and you can set it up in the Google app. So go to Google app, then click on your profile icon in top right corner and click on Settings, then Google Assistant, Hey Google and Voice Match, and then enable Hey Google. Now you need to click on I agree, and then when you click on I agree again, you'll need to say 4 phrases that will be shown on the screen to configure your voice match. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And now it is configured, you can click on Next. And from now on, whenever you say Hey Google or OK Google, it will open Google Assistant. So let's ask it, OK Google, what's the weather in Kraków? And it gives me the answer. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.